this is Country Girl, and I'm going to show you how to repair your battery with just one app. You may have a problem with your battery overheating, your phone overheating, or your app's just not running right. So the first thing I'm going to show you how to do is hold on. Okay, I don't have any in there. The first thing I'm going to do is, you want to do is to go and press your home key down and see if you have any running apps in there. However, I do not. Then you want to go to settings and go to developer options. If you do not have developer options, go to about device and then go to build number and press a few times and it'll tell you down below whether you have developer options, okay? Then you go into developer options, which is another video, and you go into almost all the way down to the bottom where it says, let's see, go in the background processes, limit background processes, no background processes. This'll keep your apps from running in the background and your phone overheating. Alright? Now, exit out. If you've already done all that and you've gone in and cleaned your phone, which I'm doing right now. This is Clean Master. If you've already gone in and cleaned your phone and cleared your cache, then the next thing you want to do is, if you have a battery saver or a cleaning app that has a battery saver, then you want to go into battery saver. This will eliminate any apps that is taking up too much of your battery and thus preventing your battery from overheating. Alright. And if you've done that, okay, like right here, I have a whole bunch of apps running in the background. You want to make sure that you slide and close every one of those out. Alright. Now, if you're still having trouble with your battery, you want to go to Google Play Store. Mine is not running very good, so I have it on. Okay, and if you're having trouble, like I am right now, you need to go to developer options again, go down to background processes, put one or more. Okay, there it did it. Okay. You want to go into your Google Play Store and you want to put battery. If you have an Android, your app store would do too. Repair. And it will give you a list of different ones. This is the one I love. It's called Battery Repair Light, and it really works. Mine is already installed. So I'm going to go in here and open it and show you. And this is what it looks like. And it will check your battery to see if you have any low, inactive pieces of your battery. And that could cause overheating too. So what it's doing right now is checking. And I already have one that's inactive and one that's low. You may have to do this a few times every once in a while to make sure that it really fixes it. But I like this app because it does fix it. I think I've only had to do it 2 or 3 times on my other phone and it worked really good. So all the orange ones are the ones that are low. The red ones are the ones that are inactive. And the green ones are the ones that are healthy. And this is what's making your battery overheat too. Or a number of things that's making it overheat. So as you can tell, I have a few that are really low and about 3 or 4 that are inactive. If that doesn't fix it, this could mean that you need to get a different battery. Okay, and it's telling me I can fix this problem. And it's going in and fixing problems. All right. Alright, so I'm going to go in again and just check it again to make sure that it got it all. And this takes just a few minutes. But it looks so far as if it got everything, so I'm going to exit out of here and close that out. And that's all you need basically to do. You can also go in your settings and go into device maintenance. Go into your battery. Like this one, I'm clicking these 4. And this is creating better battery life. Alright. And that's basically it. Thank you, and subscribe, please.